Yes, it's Cyber Monday, and yes, I am offering an opportunity here for you to save 50% on my existing coaching, but not how you think. The prices have been at those prices for over 2 years. So in reality, they've already been discounted. So if you've been on the fence, about signing up, you want to kick 2020 off right, to get this thing going, you can simply sign up now. If you're on the site, boom, the link is there below. If you're not on the site and you're watching this video either on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, the link will be in the comments or in the directions of the post. So you can take advantage of my courses at today's prices because they are going up tremendously. And you're going to be like, oh, I don't know. Get off the fence. Take advantage of this Cyber Monday offer. It's not going to last but a day or so, and you'll see the prices change. So here's your opportunity. Take advantage of it now. Wholesaling houses, wholesaling apartments, unlimited coaching, even the flipping bacon commercial buildings course, the price is going up. So get off the fence, Cyber Monday, and we will see you on the flip side. Click the link below.
Flip man, it's the flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.